Welcome back everyone to Dr. Christy Cares. I'm Dr. Christy Matsuziak, and today we're going to talk about homeopathic medicine. So I use homeopathy a lot in my practice, and it can be a very powerful tool when helping people overcome various health conditions, whether acute or chronic in nature. So let me explain the principle of homeopathy first, okay? The principle of homeopathy is based on the idea that like cures like. So the best example, one of the examples I can give you is we've discussed Arnica montana before in the past when I've done the acute pain or injuries video. Arnica montana, when found in nature, it's a flower. And now if you ingested that flower in its raw, whole form, you would experience things like pain, inflammation, and swelling, and you would be in a lot of pain. When you take this in its homeopathic form, it provides your body an energetic resonance to start to overcome those situations that you're actually experiencing. So what you end up doing with the arnica is you take the arnica in its whole form, you take a piece of it and dilute it in water. Then you take a drop of that dilution and dilute it again. Take some of that dilution and dilute it again. Literally, you do this diluting process over 100 times. And so what you're left with in the end of this process in diluting is this energetic frequency of a substance, of the original substance, where there's not actually a measurable amount of that original substance in there anymore. So when you ingest that into your body doesn't even recognize it as anything, but it allows your cells to vibrate at a higher frequency, energetically speaking, and start to gradually fight, not even fight against, because it's not suppressive as like Advil or something like this, but it starts to gradually allow your body to heal the afflicted injury or whatever it may be. There's also homeopathic remedies for bug bites, for mosquito stuff, for teething babies, all the way up to headaches and all sorts of things. So these, like I said, these can be for acute injuries and acute situations like a cold or a flu or something like that. But there's also remedies, and they're different potencies for different things, sometimes even for chronic issues. So like I said, homeopathy is very, very powerful when used right. At worst case scenario, it just doesn't help you. So it's very, very, very safe to play with on your own, even if you don't know exactly what remedy or what potency or in what frequency one should try a specific remedy. So I have patients who ask me frequently, what's the right remedy for this? Or I tried this and this didn't work. That's okay. You're not usually doing yourself any harm by trying a remedy or two. There are a couple self-help homeopathy books that I tend to recommend to patients. I can always post them below in the video here if you are interested. So that's about all I had for you right now. Next week, we're going to be talking about thyroid and how that can be a really important topic for a lot of women. And I'll share some personal stories with you here. So if you did like this video and you found it valuable, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. And until next week when we go for thyroid, Dr. Christy Matsuziak here with Dr. Christy Cares, wishing you a fantastic day and a healthy life.